Okay, so this is our example number 2 for frame analysis with sidesway under moment distribution method. Okay, so ito yung ano natin, given figure. Meron tayong tigis ang I. Ayan, so solve mo natin lahat ng member stiffness factor. Yung D is pin. Yes, and fix sa B and C, fixed connected. And yung ating A is fixed support. Okay, so solve natin. So KAB. So, since fix yan, meaning, gagamit natin yan ng 4EI over L. Okay, so 4 multiplied by E, multiplied by I na 1,000 times 10 raised to 6 over L. Ang L natin is 5 meters. So, times 10 raised to 3 para maging millimeters. So, ang ating KAB is equivalent to 4 times 1,000 times 10 raised to 6. Okay? Over 5 times 10 raised to 3. So, 800. So, 800 times 10 raised to 3 multiplied by E. Next, BC naman. So, BC is equivalent to 4AI then over L. So, 4 multiplied by E multiplied by I. Ang I natin is 750 times 10 raised to 6 over L. Ang L natin is 6 meters. Okay. So, KBC is, palitan natin to. Gawin natin siyang 6. Ganito is gawin natin 750. Okay, so 50,000. 500 times 10 raised to 3 multiplied by E. Then last, ito, fix and pin. So, pwede natin i-apply dito yung sa tawag rito, yung modified stiffness factor. So, KCD is equals to, ilan nga ba ito? 3. Okay, 3EI over L. So, 3 multiplied by E multiplied by I na 1 to 50 times 10 raised to 6 over L na 7.5 then times 10 raised to 3. Okay? So, 3 multiplied by E multiplied by 1 to 50 times 10 raised to 6 over 7.5 times 10 raised to 3. So, 500,000 din. So, 500,000 multiplied by, tama ba? Okay. Ayan. So, ngayon, masasabi na natin yung kani-kanilang mga distribution factor. Okay? So, sulat mo natin dito. Joint A, then B, C, and D. So, sa member, AB, BA, okay, BC, CB, CB, and DC. So, distribution factor natin. Ang distribution factor natin para sa A, B is equals to 0. At yung ating distribution factor for DC is equals to 1.0 naman. Kasi ano yan? Pin. So, solve na lang natin yung distribution factor for BA, BC, CB, and CD. Okay? So, BA. Okay? So, BA is equals to KAB over KAB plus KBC. Yan. Okay, so ilan to? KAB is 800. So, 800. Tanggalin na natin yung times 10 raised to 3 over 800 plus BC, 500. Ilan? 0.615. Okay? Okay, next. DFBC. Okay, so, iyan na natin. 1 minus 0.615 para masolve yung DFBC para mas mabilis tayo. So, DFBC is equals to 1 minus 0.615. So, 1 minus 0.615. So, this is 0.385. Okay, next. yung DF BC natin, CB is equals to KCB over KCB plus KCD. Okay, so ilan to? Okay, so 500 tong BC na eh. Then 500, 500. So 0.5. Okay? 0.5 lang to. So 1 minus 0.5. So 0.5 rin. So 0.5 yung ating CD. Okay? Yan. So 0. Then this is 1.0. Then 0.615. 0.385. Then 0.5. 0.5. Okay? Then FEF. Yes. Magkakaroon pala tayo dito ng sidesway. Bakit? Kasi hindi pantay yung ano natin eh. Yung member natin. And at the same time, meron tayong rotation sa D. Pinto, no? So, since pinto, mas madaling pang mag-rotate yung ating member CD. Okay? So, FEM natin para sa member BC. So, ano yan? Okay. Ano lang naman siya? Fix. Then, okay. Uniformly distributed load. So, BC and FEM CD. So, equals lang yan. Okay? So, this is WL squared over 12. So, ilan to? 800. Sorry, hindi pala siya 800. 8 kilonewton lang pala. So, 8 times, W times L. So, 6 squared over 12. So, 24. So, 24 kilonewton meter. So, 24 para sa BC. Negative yan. Okay? Kasi counterclockwise. Then, clockwise para sa CB. Then, 0 na lahat ng FEF. Okay? Then, i-balance na natin. Okay? So, dito, 0. Okay? Then, ito, 0.615, no? So, negative 24 times alpha A. 12.615. Yes, hindi pa ito negative. Magiging positive siya kasi babalance natin eh. Okay, so positive 14.76. Then next, 0.385. So, 9.24. Okay, then next, ito kalakalahati lang. So, positive, magiging negative 12.0. Negative 12.0. Okay? Then, carry over. So, magka-carry over tayo dito para sa, sa BA. Kasi, tayo eh. Wala tayong modified stiffness factor dito. So, carry over natin to. Yan. Then, ito rin. Between B and C, carry over din natin yan. Okay? Then, ito, di natin carry over kasi alam naman natin sa DC is 0 moment. So, hayaan na natin yan. Okay? So, ulit-ulit lang tayo dito ng carry over mamaya. Yan. Ganito rin. Oops. Oops. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Papin na rin natin to. Kung carry over to, kalahati lang ng 14.76. Alpha B over 2, 14.76. So, 7.38. Then, 9.24. So, 4.62. Then, 12. Okay, so this is negative 6.0. So, yan. So, distribute ulit natin. Okay? Ayan, so, ito na yung buong table natin. So, ulit-ulit lang din naman yung process dyan, okay? Saka natin i-summate. So, makakuha natin dito is 9.58. Dito naman is 9.34. Ito naman is negative 19.34. And ito naman is 15. And ito rin is negative 15. Okay? Then yung ating D is pin yan eh. Okay, so 0 yung ating moment. Okay, so yan. Pagkatapos nun, lagyan na natin ng support dito. Yan. Then, saka natin makakuha yung reaction natin. Okay, so, R. Then, so, ano ba yung natin? A. So, A natin is clockwise, no? Then, BA is clockwise, no? So, kung clockwise to, sabihin, dapat counterclockwise yung AH, no? So, ganito yung AH. Yan. Then, itong DH naman, para sa, CD. CD is negative, no? So, negative siya. So, counterclockwise. So, pag nag-moment tayo rito, dapat clockwise siya. Okay, so, to the left. Yan. So, DH. Okay? So, wala nang space. So, dito natin lagay. Gala natin to. Okay? So, ito yung para sa AB. B and A. Then, this is 5 meters. Then, this is AH to the left, to the right. Then, this is counterclockwise. Okay? Wait lang. Clockwise pala, sorry. Clockwise. Okay, then, clockwise. Summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Okay? Clockwise is positive. So, negative AH kasi counterclockwise multiplied by 5 plus AB. Ang AB natin is 9.58 plus BA 19.34. Then equals to 0. So, ang AH natin ngayon is 9.58 plus 19.34. Then divided by 5. So, 5.784. 5.784 kilonewton. So, to the right. Okay? Yan. Next, para naman dun sa sa D o sa DH. So, this is pin. Then, this is fix. So, this is C, D, and this is 7.5 meters. Then, yung ating moment sa C is, counterclockwise. Yan. So, sabihin, yung ating DH is, dapat iikot ng clockwise. So, this is DH. So, summation of moment at C is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So, DH is positive multiplied by, 7.5 minus yung CD. Ang CD natin is equivalent to 15.0. So, 15.0 is equals to 0. Then, DH is equals to, kalahati lang pala ng 7.5, no? Ibig sabihin, 2.0 kilonewton. So, to the left. Okay? Yan. So, by summation of, forces horizontal sa, mas malakas yung, yung AH, no? Okay, so tama lang na ang ating R is to the left. Okay? So, yung ating R niyan is equivalent to 5.784 minus 2.0. So, ilan ang R natin? So, 5.784 minus 2. So, 3.784. Okay, yan. So, to the left. Oops. So, yan yung ating R. So, ngayon, gawin ulit natin yung ginawa natin sa problem number 1. So, copy natin to. Mag-assume ulit tayo ng ng moment. Okay? Then, ito i-release natin yan, hindi ba? So, ngayon, ito naman yung bagong R natin. So, tawagan natin ito as R2. Okay? So, ito naman, R1. Yan. Okay? Then, syempre, kung ganyan na yung ating R2, yung elastic curve ng ating frame is ganito. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, hindi pa naman tayo sure dito sa elastic curve dahil hindi pa naman tayo nakakuha ng mga values. Okay? Pero, alam natin na magkakaroon ng ng side sway. Okay? Yan. Then, syempre, para karoon tayo ng linear displacement ang delta para sa B and C, kailangan counterclockwise ang ikot ng ating FEM para sa AB and BA. Ganito rin. Okay? Counterclockwise. Okay? Ay, sorry. Hindi pala ito counterclockwise. It's yan. Clockwise pala yung drawing ko. Ayan. Ganyan. Okay? Okay, so yan. Counterclockwise. Yan. So ngayon, dito sa AB and BC, CD, hindi kasi sila pantay, no? So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung yung ginawa natin dun sa sa problem number 1. Okay? Pero dito, sa AB, pwede natin gamitin yun. Okay? Pero hindi sa lahat. Kasi hindi sila pantay eh. So dito, pati wala tayong moment para sa para sa D. So ibig sabihin, since wala tayong moment dito, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng fixed moment dito. May fixed moment lang tayo pa doon sa CD. Okay, pero dito, i-assume natin na ang fixed moment natin para sa A and B is equal ulit. Okay, kahit wala tayong load dito, i-assume natin na magkakaroon tayo ng fixed moment para mag-move yung ating B and C para sa linear displacement na delta. Okay, so dito, assume natin na yung ating fixed end moment para sa AB and BA is equivalent to negative 100 kilonewton. So negative para maging counterclockwise. Okay? So next naman ito. So kailangan natin gamitan ng table natin. Okay? So yung table natin dito is what? Ito. So hindi pala to. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Kasi fix and pin or rocker or roller. So dito 'yon. Yan. Okay? So pag-drawing natin yan, pag ganito yan. So this is C and this is D. Yan. Yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang FEM natin para sa CD is 3EI delta over L squared. Yan. Ito yan. So, FEM CD. Okay? So, ang FEM CD natin is equivalent to 3EI delta over L squared. Yan. So ngayon, saan natin kukunin yung delta na yan? Kasi ngayon yung unknown natin eh, di ba? Pero itong AB natin, kasi meron rin tayong delta dito. So pwede natin siya i-convert into FEM. Okay? Kung saan yung ating FEM AB is equivalent to ito. Ayan. Okay, so yung ating FEM AB and BA is parehas lang na 6CI delta over L squared kasi meron tayo ditong delta. Okay, so FEM AB and FEM BA is equivalent to 6EI delta over L squared. And yung ating 6EI delta over L squared is equivalent to 100 kilonewton meter. Ayan. So, pwede natin ilabas natin yung delta, hindi ba? Therefore, ang ating delta is equivalent to 100 multiplied by L squared, okay, over 6EI. Yan. So, pwede natin itong yan. Okay? Then ito. Substitute pala natin doon, no? Mamaya. Anyway, ito. Ito muna. So, simplify mo natin. So, this is 100 kilonewton meter eh. So, times 10 raised to 6. Okay? Para maging newton millimeter. Then, yung ating L is okay. Ay, hindi. Wag na natin. Moment pala yung kinukuha natin. So, wag natin i-convert. Okay? So, multiplied by L. Ang L natin dito sa, sa AB natin is 5. Okay? So, 5 squared over 6EI. Okay? Ang I natin dito is what? 1,000. Okay? So, 1,000 times 10 raised to 6. Yun din pala. So, kailangan natin ma-convert, no? Convert na lang natin to. Itong 5. Okay, yung 5 meters. Gawin natin 5 times 10 raised to 3. Okay, so this is what? Kilonewton meter. Then ito, millimeter. Okay. Then ito, millimeter to the fourth. Okay. So, cancel to. Magiging millimeter cube. Okay, then dito, meron din dito na. Yun yung kilonewton meter. So, hayaan na natin yan. Ganyan lang siya. So, 100 times 5 times 10 raised to 3. Okay, over 6 multiplied by 1,000 times 10 raised to 6. Ayan. Okay, so masyado siyang no? Na lang. Okay, 1 over 12,000. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by E. Ayan. Then yung delta natin is 1 over 12,000 E. Therefore, makakuha na natin yung FEMCD. Okay? So, therefore, FEMCD, angat nga natin to. Yan. FEMCD natin ngayon is equivalent to 6EI. So, 3EI pala. 3. E multiplied by I. Ang I natin sa CD is, 1,250 times 10 raised to 6. Okay, so this is millimeter to the fourth. Then, mamaya na yung delta. Over L. Ang L natin is 7.5. So, 7.5 times 10 raised to 3. Millimeter. Okay, millimeter. Okay. Then, times delta. Ang delta natin is 1 over 12,000 multiplied by E. Okay, so ito ay kilonewton meter over millimeter cube. Okay? Yung unit nito, ayan kilonewton per millimeter cube. Then, kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo, huwag natin i-convert yung kilonewton. So, ito na lang tatanggalin natin, ayan. So, this is millimeter cube. Cancel out ulit, ayan. Then, matitira is kilonewton meter. Yung E rin, makatanggal, maka-cancel out. Kaya, ang ating FPM is in kilonewton meter. Yan. So, 3 multiplied by 1,250 times 10 raised to 6 over 7.5 times 10 raised to 3. Multiplied by 1 over 12,000. Yan. Okay, so, 41.67 yung ating moment sa CD. Wait lang. Hindi pala natin na square. Ayan, ito pala. Hindi pa natin na square. Ito. Hindi pa natin siya na square, oh. So, this is, square din pala to, no? So, magiging lang pala to. Ayan. So, ito, square din to, no? Okay. So, kung square to, magiging, millimeter square. Ito pala, millimeter square. So, dapat, to? Yan, millimeter square din to. Okay, then ito, hindi to, ganito. Okay, so ito niyan is history na lang. Ayan, square lang natin to. Ayan, so 5 over 12 lang pala to. So 5 over 12. So 5 over 12, okay, E. Then ang unit natin is kilonewton per millimeter squared. Okay, so kilonewton meter per millimeter squared. So, ito, squared to. Okay? Then, ito, naka-square din to, yung 7.5. Then, square din to. Okay? Ayan. So, mangyayari dito, ayan, square din to. So, millimeter squared. So, cancel out ulit. Ayan. So, kilonewton meter pa rin yung makukuha natin sa So, 5 over 12. So, this is 5 over 12. 5 over 12. Kaya nito, naka-square. square. Ayan. So, 27.78. So, 27.78 kilonewton meter. Okay.